The present station at Woodhouse is the second built to serve the community, then separate from and not under the governance of Sheffield. The railway line between Sheffield and Gainsborough was proposed by the Sheffield and Lincolnshire Junction Railway. Upon authorisation of this line in August of 1846, the S&LJR amalgamated with other railways to form the Manchester, Sheffield and Lincolnshire Railway. The first section of the line between Sheffield and Bayton on the Midland Railway opened on the 12th of February 1849. The second section, which was first near Woodhouse and ran to Gainsborough, opened on the 17th of July 1849. A station at the junction was opened by the MS&LR in October 1850, named Woodhouse Junction. The original station was at the bottom of the junction lane adjacent to the present Woodhouse Junction, formerly East Junction signal box, and was built to serve the communities of Bayton, then within Derbyshire, and Woodhouse. This station was closed on the 11th of October 1875 and replaced on the same day by a new station 700 yards to the west named Woodhouse. The new station was one of the earliest examples of the Manchester, Sheffield and Lincolnshire Railway's double pavilion designs at its present location. So let's get started here at Woodhouse with 195010, departing with the 0850 Northern service from Leeds to Lincoln Central. Next to pass through the station is 158857 and 158777, working 1 Tango 06 for East Midlands Railway from Sheffield to Nottingham. Following on his heels is 221133, working 1 Victor 48 for cross country from York to Bristol Temple Meads. First to pass through in the opposite direction is 220034 and 220013, working 1 Sierra 35 for cross country from Bristol Temple Meads to Edinburgh Waverley. Running some 17 minutes late is 222006, working 1 Foxtrot 10 for East Midlands Railway from London St Pancras to Sheffield. And right on his heels is 158799 and 158788, working 1 Tango 60 for East Midlands Railway from Nottingham to Sheffield. crawling around the corner is 195003, working 1 Lima 44 from Northern from Lincoln Central to Leeds. Coming back some 7 minutes late is 222006, working 1 Charlie 32 from East Midlands Road from Sheffield to London St Pancras. Departing next at the station is 195004, working the 0949 Northern service from Leeds to Lincoln Central. Coming cruising around the corner is 158788 and 158799, working 1 Tango 7 from Sheffield to Nottingham. Coming the opposite direction is 222009, working 1 Foxtrot 15 for East Midlands Road from London St Pancras to Sheffield. And right on his heels for cross country is 221121, working 1 Sierra 37 from Plymouth to Edinburgh Waverley. And the final fast action to finish off is 220008, working 1 Victor 50 from Edinburgh Waverley to Plymouth. And here comes our train to pick us up in the form of 195017, working the 1016 Northern service from Gainsborough Central to Sheffield. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.